Hey, what's up, AMP coin holders? So what's going on? Minus 0.21%. The price of AMP coin were very badly decreased now. So what's the reason and what we will need, my friend, and what's my opinion and what's my friend my advice. So everything is going to be very special for all of you. So please, if you are new to my channel, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my friends. Please do this what I tell you. I am 100% sure you will earn a lot of money. And please research personally before you take any decision. And this time AMP price will decrease now minus 0.21%. So that's mean to AMP or fails down. But sometime, my friend, AMP will take a very huge jump. So therefore I just want my friends to when and where, my friends, they will pumps up. When and where, my friends, they will get a profit. So therefore, my friend, expert says to win a holder of starting investing. So therefore the price will increase, and absolutely when they will correlate with some companies, so definitely the price is very fastly pumps up. So therefore I will notify you, my friend. Definitely you will need to hold now. I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. So please don't starting selling, otherwise they cannot give you a profit. See you next time, AMP holder. But remember one thing, my friend, I tell you, to in upcoming time if they were fails down, so definitely you will better loss. So therefore I will notify you to be active, and please just only subscribe this channel to I will update you, I will alert you. So hope you will better understand. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, AMP coin holder. Please like and subscribe channel.